Today I'm going to be teaching you how to open a Quotex account, okay? If you want to start your journey of forex trading, Quotex is the best place to start, okay? They have nice features, beautiful interface where you can toggle from one side to another and to get started with it. So first of all, you need to have an account with them in order to trade your dollar with them, okay? So I'm going to be teaching you how to open an account with them. So let's go there. So once you go straight to their website, which is www.quotex.com, you click your enter. It opens up like this, okay? This is the first page you're going to see where you have your login, sign up. Now you're going to go straight to sign up. Let's go to sign up. Now here you have to input your information, which is your email, password, and the currency in which you want to start trading with. Take note, you must be 18 years plus in order to trade forex, okay? So I'm going to start by putting my email. Okay, then you put in your password. Either you want to use any of these, but I prefer the USD, which is in US dollars. Then you click that you're 18 years plus. Go to registration. I don't want to save it. Okay, that is it. It's as simple as ABCD. You've got your account open, but it's not done. Okay, you're not done with it. You need to go for confirmation. They must have sent an email or sent a message into that particular email you use. So let's go straight to the email to confirm our message. Okay, the first one, welcome to Quotex. They're just welcoming you to Quotex. Starts with demo account. Okay, this you're welcome. They welcome you straight to Quotex. Okay, what do we have next? Once you click it, you go straight to confirm email. This is where you get your email verified. Okay, now it's verified. Your account is set. As you can see, your live account is 0.00, which means there's no money in it. As you can see, not verified. A lot of information is needed to be input here. So go straight to your picture. If you have the picture straight in your system, you go straight to it. So I'm gonna use this, just for your realizing sake. Okay, just to teach you how to do it. You have to input your picture. You come here, the name you want to use. Let's say I want to use trade now. Alright, your first name. You put all your information, last name, then date of birth. Okay, very important. Okay, then after that, your country, is optional anyway, but it's very important. I prefer you use your rights, your country. You put your country there, and your address where you reside. Okay, you put it there. Okay, that's where I reside. Then after that, you click change identity information. Now once you click change identity information, all this information that you've input here will be saved automatically. Then this box will open onto you. This box is where you put your okay, what they have there is, please upload a color photo or scan image of your regular civic passport, driving license, or national identity card. Okay, this is where you input it. So you click upload document. Now you have the front page and the back page. Okay, so let me just show you how it is. I have mine in my system. Okay, let's presume this is what I want to use. I click it. Once I click it, I click open. Now that is done. The next one, the back side of it, you also click the back side of it. Now that is done. Now once you've input either your international passport or your driver license, you must make sure you scan the front and the back side of it, and upload, because all they require here is the front side and the back side. Now once you're done, you click upload documents. Now the reason why I'm not going to click upload document is because I already have an account with them. Okay, now once you click upload documents, it's going to take either a day or two for them to verify your account. You understand? Once they verify your account, you're good to trade with them. You understand? So once they verify, it's going to open up like this. Let me show you. Let me go to mine. Alright, this is my account. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. This is exactly what is going to appear once they verify your account. You see your document has been checked. Now your identity is verified. Okay, you are good to start your trading with your demo account, or probably going to a live account. Okay, this is my live account. In our next class, I'm going to be teaching you how to how to transfer money into your Quotex account for trading. Okay, so this is it. This is exactly how to open the Quotex account. Very simple and easy. Please watch the video from beginning to end so you follow the steps one after the other and get it done. Okay, so your document has been checked. Now your identity is verified. Once it's done this way, you are good to trade with them. Okay, so thank you very much. That's all for today. Please don't forget to click the like bell, subscribe, and please share this video, because your sharing and likes help me to do more and more of the tutorials. Thank you very much.